everyone, welcome to my channel. Siri here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to make a top-notch engaging thumbnail for YouTube in Canva. Yes, it's going to be easy and it's going to be fast, so do well to stick around. And if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that when I release content like this you're not going to miss out. So let's ride on. So I'm going to start by showing you how to create this thumbnail easy using the Canva template. So I'm just going to come here and search for YouTube thumbnail. So actually they've already given me the option here. So with this variety of YouTube thumbnails here, the good thing about Canva is that most of the thumbnails here that have been divided into the different kinds of ideas of videos that people create on YouTube. So you just need to be keen, take your time, go through these thumbnails. There are a good number of them and select the one that suits you. So guys, the criteria for choosing a thumbnail is not just actually choosing a thumbnail that is maybe shouting or a thumbnail that is maybe well designed or looking, I don't know how you have many colors on it, but a thumbnail is something that should be engaging. It should speak of what you have in your video so that on first sight someone looks at your thumbnail, the person who wants to watch that video, the person will see that this video is what I need. So guys, I'm going to be showing you all the thumbnails here. I'm going to be criticizing them and telling you the ones that are good and the ones that are not bad. So first we're going to start with this thumbnail here. This thumbnail here that is talking about boxing. So actually with this thumbnail, when you look at it, it talks about cardio kickboxing for beginners, but this thumbnail, I will not like this thumbnail because when someone looks at your first sight, the person will not be able to read this text here. This text here actually is clear and the design is good, but when you look at it, it's not really very visible. So I'm going to condemn someone using this kind of thumbnail for you to especially when you're starting up. For those who are already grown up, maybe bigger channels, they use any kind of thumbnail, they already have a bigger audience that will always be able to view your videos. But when you're starting up, like someone, if you check my channel now, I have just few subscribers. So when you have to do this, guys, you need to make something that is really looking good and is catchy, because I've estimated and I've calculated, I've seen that most of my videos that did well on YouTube are videos that had the best looking eye-catching thumbnail. So I'm going to give you another thumbnail here that is also a very good thumbnail, because you see this thumbnail here, I recommend it so much because what you want to see is already the 5 best tips for a start business, for start. Okay, 5 best tips to start your business. English is kind of funny, but that one is good because looking at it here, you are already seeing what you need to see. Because look at this one, it talks of this podcast here. Actually the design is good, but it is too, it stresses the user. You don't need to stress someone who needs to see a video. This other thumbnail here is also good. When you look at it on first sight, you can be able to catch up what is actually there. This is also another perfect thumbnail which I love. This one is also interesting and engaging because I like this one. If you want to talk about money, because just the person's face is already asking questions. Money making tips for 2023, guys. I'm going to be using this thumbnail in one of my next videos. So that is it for the good thumbnail. So I'm going to be using a particular thumbnail here which for me is one of the best thumbnails I always see. I don't know why, I like that thumbnail, but from experience that thumbnail has really been doing well, so well for me. I don't know why. Okay, this is the thumbnail. I love this thumbnail so much, so we're going to go ahead and customize this thumbnail step by step. So actually the reason why I like this thumbnail is the person's face there is already like, wow, this man is shouting, what's going on? And when you look at it, make $1,000 daily, is clear, information is clear. So this man is telling you that watch this video and know how to make $1,000 daily. So if I want to customize this here, I don't want to talk about making money, I'm just going to delete this and I say make okay, make, I'll just change this one to YouTube. Let me adjust the text now. This is the next thing, that when you are using this customizing, like you're already using the template, you just need to know how to adjust text like this. So you just need to make YouTube thumbnail. So making YouTube thumbnail, I can just say fast or easy. It doesn't matter whatever you put there, that one is up to you, but you just need to find a title that is nice and engaging. So I don't want to use this man's picture, so I'm just going to remove it and I'm going to go up to my own uploads and I'm going to choose an image from there which I actually uploaded from my PC and I'm going to use it. So I'm going to use this image here because it's also kind of engaging. The man is shouting so much. So I'm just going to rearrange this image here, enlarge it in such a way that it is big enough so that the person seeing this thumbnail will want to see. So I'm going to use this feature which is available for Canva Pro. And I already made a video showing you guys how to get Canva Pro in 2022. I don't know, you can try it out. I'm going to tag it up and I'm going to put a link in the description to this video. So we're going to click on this background remover, and after a few seconds Canva is going to do the work for us. Or you can also go ahead and check our website which is slazer.com. So guys, I made a video also showing you how to use slazer.com. You just need to upload the image and everything is done. So I'm going to, my image is already, the background of my image is already removed, so I'm just going to adjust it now, and I'll take this other option here. So I'll use the shadows. This feature is available to Canva Pro users. So to enjoy Canva Pro, you need to have to enjoy Canva, sorry, you need to you have the pro version of Canva. When you don't have the pro version of Canva, you miss out a lot of advantages. So you see, I'm going to use this glow feature of the shadow. I'm going to increase my transparency. I increase the size a bit. I always like to put my size to maybe 10, and reduce the blendness to even 0. So I'm going to change this color to white, or can say change it to yellow. It's up to me, but I love using white because white is more responsible. So guys, we already have our thumbnail set and ready for YouTube. Make okay, make super awesome, or you can make best YouTube thumbnails. I don't know, I need to look for a word that is going to be attracted, like someone who is going to see it, and you who are watching this video, you are going to see that word and watch this video. So guys, that is what will actually bring you to this video, or maybe the coloring, or maybe the way the man is shouting, or maybe the background image. And you can also go ahead and change this background. You do some changes with the color, maybe you play around with it. I don't know how you want it to look like for you, but I love it looking this way because everything there is perfect. So that's an easy way to get yourself a thumbnail. So actually, if you want to do this from scratch, you can go ahead and do it from scratch. But with me, I always recommending that making a thumbnail on YouTube, taking these templates and using is one of the best methods. But if you have to make from scratch, I'm just going to show you a little step here. You just need to take create design and then go to this option here and search for YouTube thumbnail. So I just need to search for thumbnail. Okay, this YouTube thumbnail are going to give me a blank sheet where I can start customizing my thumbnail from scratch. So to customize this thumbnail from scratch, I just need to come down here to backgrounds and I search for gradient. Yes, I'm just going to search for a red gradient. Okay, this is a good red gradient that we can use. So now I'm going to flip this vertically, flip it horizontally. I want this red color to be here because I'm going to be adding my text, and I'll use this heading, enlarge the text so that you have this text here. And I'm going to change my fonts to, I like Montserrat. I don't know. Yes, I love using Montserrat extra bold. Okay, okay, yes, this Montserrat extra bold. So I'm just going to cut everything. Let's see, make YouTube thumbnail. So Montserrat is already doing the work for me. So I just need to arrange this text, resize it, and make it look better. Like you see, this thumbnail is actually good, but it will not be perfect as the one I made earlier because in the first option there, they actually it was separated. If you look at it, this text is separated from this, is separated from this. So you can actually do same by, let me say, I just copy this. Let me copy this, and I take this and I duplicate. So I'll duplicate this, put it here, and then now this is the next part. Then I cut off this and duplicate this, and I paste the next. So just need to rearrange it this way, and I get everything done. I'll put this one here, put this one here. So the next thing I'm going to search here, I'm going to search for the element square. So I'll just search for the square element. Okay, here we are. We have the square element. I don't like to use this one. I'll take this other square element because it has two colors there. I'll rearrange it the way I want it to look like, and I place it behind here. So this square element, I'm going to change the main color here to, let me say, a yellow. Let me search for yellow. I'm going to take, okay, yes, I'm going to change it to this color. And the border colors, I'm going to change it to white, or maybe to, should I say black? Yes, it's still good. So I'm going to duplicate this and I bring it down to this other person here. I send it backward. So, and I'll change the color of this to maybe white. When I change the color of this to white, I duplicate this, or I can allow this to be black. Let me say I allow this to be black, then I change these others to white. No, red, no. Okay, red is still good. Red is still good on yellow, but it's not really the best. So you just know how to play around with your colors, but this is the main part of your video. You just need to know how to do this because that's what the audience is going to see on first sight of your thumbnail. So I'll just take my image again. Here I don't want to maintain this color. I'm going to use this Canva Pro feature, remove background remover, and it's going to use few seconds and get my background off and let me do my job without actually switching from maybe to different browsers or to different tabs to actually do the background removing. So that's one of the amazing features of Canva Pro. So I'll apply this and I just resize the image to look the way I want it to be. So I just need to do it this way. Then I don't want to cover this YouTube too much, so I'll put it like this. Then, or maybe I'll reduce it a bit. Okay, yes, we already have a good looking thumbnail. I'll use this other feature again. I'll use this glow. So I'll adjust it and increase the size to 10 as I love it to be. Then I increase my transparency and make it less blur. I change its color to white. So, or I can see change it to black, or I can see change it to yellow. But on this one, black is better because of our background image. So if I actually change this background image, let me say I change this background, let me say, to a blue gradient. Okay, if I change to a blue gradient, you see it's even looking much better. So guys, you just need to play around with the colors to make it so that it is more engaging. So if I had to use this, I'll need to put this shadow to be white and then this other text here to be white, because white is, oh, actually, if I have to change this, let me see if I can flip this vertically. I flip it like this. So anyways, if I could put completely blue behind. So guys, it's up to you. You just need to know how to play around with these colors and get everything done. So if you like this simple tutorial I've shown you, please do well to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get more content like this, never forget to hit the notification bell so that next time I release, you're going to be the first to get this video. So guys, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up and see you in my next video.